Hello, welcome to Dr. D. Medico. I am Durgesh Lal Chaudhary, medicine students, and in this video today we are just going to learn about the different type of the breath sound. It is very important to differentiate either it is normal or like abnormal breath sound, because it's give us a clue about the disease and then after underlying pathology which one is present. I hope after watching this video we will be able to differentiate different type of the breath sound which one is present in the patient. So let's hear and try to differentiate either it is abnormal or like normal. Let's hear.
Can you breathe?